Hey, good morning guys. So today we are in Quebec City. We came to attend an RV show. So let's get to it.
Hi, this is Dory, and I'm Mena. We travel with our lovely dog Fiona to discover the most beautiful locations. And our goal is to share with you what it's like to live as a nomad. So thanks for following and welcome to our channel. And this is a Wolfe. This is a Wolfe Creek camper. Beautiful awning. It's just a wee guy. I like the small ones. It's called the power supply. This is the water fill inlet. It's your water tank right here and your sink. Some pipes there. Kind of nice that you have access to that stuff. Little compartment. Another little compartment. We have another beautiful awning right up here. It's not out though. Lovely ladder. It's Canadian dollars, folks, so way more affordable if you have US dollars, especially now. And it sleeps 3 people. You need a 3/4 ton truck, 2,574 pounds. And this is your basic layout, but we're gonna get a nice close-up look at that. Your battery kill switch is over here, and some pipes, plumbing and appliance accessories. Here you have the batteries, and we love to see when there's a nice battery compartment, especially if it's a battery that is going to off gas, because you want to keep all those fumes out of the RV, and you see that's why that compartment is vented out and there's no access to the interior, so it's very secure there. We love to see that. And this is your hot water heater, your outdoor shower. Oh, nice furnace for those cold mornings. This is your hood vent cover there. Got a little bit of LED light action over there. This is the back of that huge fridge. And I suspect that there's an air conditioner up there, but definitely there's going to be a ceiling vent. Take it. And then here on the right, you have this beautiful 4-person dinette. And it looks like it comes down, and this can be another little bed. It doesn't look like it's probably like good for kids because it's kind of small. And you have some compartments up here, storage compartments, lights. This is going to be the AC unit, good for those hot days. And you control it over here. You have a little magazine stand over there. Of course, you need a smoke detector, some more speakers up here. And this is interesting, just taking a quick peek down here, identifying everything. So it looks like this is the fuse box over here. And that's your furnace. And also your CO2 detector, which is super, super important. And I kind of like this privacy curtain. What do you guys think about that? And this is kind of interesting. I guess this is the step to get into the bed. Very interesting indeed. And it looks like there's a little window here, so like to the cab. Yeah, there's a little window to the cab there. I'm not going to pull it all the way up. And beautiful big bed. I'm not sure what the size is. It looks like it's a double. You have some storage over there, so that's a little closet. More storage over here. You have a cute little TV right there. Window. Another little hanging closet over here. I gotta say, I love having the reading lights right there. You want to read before bed, that's really practical, and you have some USB outlets and 110 volt outlets, and you have your fan right there. So you get lots of nice airflow here with the windows and the fan. Yeah, really nice unit.